In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a button on your WordPress website. Whether you're trying to make your website more engaging or simply want to add a personal touch, customizing buttons is a simple yet effective way to enhance your site's appearance. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through this process step by step. To start, head over to wordpress.com. This is your first step toward customizing your button, and it's important that you're familiar with navigating your way around this platform. Once you're on the WordPress homepage, look for the login option and click on it. It's located at the top right corner of the page, so it should be easy to find. After clicking login, you'll be prompted with various login options. For a seamless experience, click on continue with Google. This is a convenient option, especially if you often use your Google account for logging into various services. Next, you'll see a list of your Google accounts, so go ahead and select the one that's associated with your WordPress website. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Now direct your attention to the right panel where you'll find quick links. Here you need to click on Edit Site. This option is crucial as it will allow you to access the editing tools necessary for customizing your button. In the editing mode, you'll notice an intuitive interface. To begin customizing, locate the Add button situated at the top left corner of your screen. Clicking this will enable you to add blocks to your site. What you're going to do next is type in the word buttons in the search field. This search will filter through the available blocks and help you quickly locate the right one. Once the buttons block appears, click on it. This is where the customization begins. With the button block now added to your page, you'll want to refine its appearance to suit your website's theme. On the right panel of your WordPress editor, there are various settings to adjust. Here you can change the text on the button to reflect the desired message or call to action. Also, don't forget to experiment with the background color to ensure it stands out but stays in harmony with your site's color palette. And there you have it, a personalized button that captures your website's essence and enhances user engagement. With a few clicks and a little creativity, you've added a distinct element to your site. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy customizing!